Welcome to Archaeology and Biblical Interpretation. Hope you're looking forward to the course. I am. Trying something new here with the new program to capture some screens, and it also lets me do video of myself. So I thought I might do this to introduce the course, introduce myself to you. I've been teaching this course for a while now. Part of the problem is I never get to meet the people that are in the course because I've always taught it online. So I thought something like this might allow me to get to know you a little better and to walk you through a few things quickly that I might do if we were in the classroom, but since we won't be in the classroom together. And we'll see how this will work. I'm going to upload it to, I've created a YouTube channel, and I'll upload it to that, and we'll see how that works. So you can see on the screen now, this is our Sakai site. Everything's going to appear over here in the coursework area. We're still working on some of this, and I'll continue to work on it tomorrow. You can see we have 6 sections there. And I've also uploaded a new syllabus because people were, I think, probably rightly somewhat confused by the syllabus. They had questions about it. And so we'll just open the Word file here, and you can take a look at it for yourself. But in this way, you can see the syllabus itself. And what I've tried to do for you here is give you all the required text, give you a week by week of what we're going to be doing, and the sections that are there this week, actually last week and this next week, is introduction to the course. And then you'll have a series of notes that are due on that. So you can go down through that. If you have any questions, let me know. It's week by week, and when things are due, here is the title of the assignment, when everything is due, how many points they are worth. So I'll let you think about that and work on that. If we go back to the course site, you see here, just wanted to say a couple things about our books, our textbooks. This is our main text, Archaeology and the New Testament. Hopefully you haven't had any trouble getting these books, and you already have the books and the videos that we'll be using. Because we go through them, kind of start off slowly, but then we hit it pretty hard here as you look over the course schedule. If you have any questions, of course, send me an email. If I get enough, I might try to do one of these videos, say every week or whatever the need seems like it would be good. Anyway, John McCrae, longtime professor at Wheaton College, and I've met him several times. Very nice guy. He taught at Wheaton for a long time. I think he's probably retired now. But this will be our main textbook that'll take us through that. Our other book is this one, a new book, a relatively new book, World of the New Testament, Cultural, Social, and Historical Context, Joel Green and Lee McDonald. They edited this. It has, I think, 44 short chapters in it. And so you'll be doing a book review on this. And you might notice I have a small chapter towards the back of the book. And but I think it's a good way to get you into a variety of subjects. And you take a look at that. And then we'll be using 2 videos. First one you'll be watching is this one, Biblical Archaeology from the Ground Down. Price here, this is the Biblical Archaeology Society website, $49.99, but you can, of course, all these things you can probably find if you look around a little bit cheaper elsewhere, get them used. Some of these things might be good for if you're working at a church library. You might consider maybe getting the church to help you out with some of these books in that way. But at any rate, this is a 90-minute set, and I'm going to take a look at some of those bonus lectures as well. We might use a couple of them, but at least the biblical archaeology from the ground down. And then one other, since we're kind of focusing on the New Testament, an archaeological search for Jesus. And this one is, as you can see, a bit longer, and it has a lot of different topics: Galilee from the beginnings, Galilee fishing, and so forth. So those are our main texts and our videos that we'll be using. I assume all of you are familiar with using Sakai, so I won't go through that. Like I said, I will be working on the Sakai portion of the site to get it working a little bit better. Mainly what's happened there is I teach this course every other year, and Sakai has changed quite a bit since I first developed the course. And so we're trying to update it with the new features of Sakai, and that's what's created some of the problems. So if you don't know me, some of you I think do. I know, but I know some of you perhaps have never met me. I'm very interested in archaeology, and I have worked in archaeology for a long time. I've worked in Jordan for many years. I'm trying to get to a site here that I worked on, Virtual Kerak Resource Project, as you can see here, vkrp.org. This is actually, we'll be using some of the features on this. For example, how to tell a tell. In fact, this website, I received a grant, quite a bit of money to develop it. And I've been working in Jordan since the 1980s, actually, digging at a couple different sites. One was Abila of the Decapolis, and the other one was a site called Medabi with the Kerak Resources Project. And so we'll be using some of that material as well. In fact, just this past summer I was there. That's an Iron Age fortress, and a survey to go along with it in the area of ancient Moab. The Abila excavation is further to the north on the border of Syria, and it's a wide range site with tombs, and not only Greco-Roman and Byzantine, but it has a lot of earlier material as well. So I'm very interested in archaeology and, of course, biblical studies itself. So I'm going to try now to upload this to YouTube, and get your reactions to it, and we'll see how it works. So I hope you have having a good weekend, and I look forward to getting to know you as the course goes forward. Thanks.